In this video, I'm going to assemble Torklift's Lock N Load platform. Instructions. So this is the front strap. So this front strap, of course, you put in, you rotate like this, and then it's going to allow you some flexibility of moving it where you want it. And according to the directions, this T-bolt would go here. They gave you these T-bolts for ease of doing it without tools, but there we go. Not sure if that's exactly where I want it yet, but we'll throw the Jenny back in and then see. See, for the purposes of this, it's about right where it wants to be. So these are a divider to be able to provide you some division. This and provides, so that just provides a division, and I guess that's a personal preference thing. In order to securely lock it, of course, it's adjustable in several different ways. This comes down, that's where I want it. Lock it there, and then I'll be able to put the lock in on this side to keep that safe and secure from bouncing around. So once we've got our safety pole in line, it's got these 10 millimeter set collars. It's going to take a 2.5 millimeter Allen. We'll take this back out, we'll run this in, run this in, run this down, and set our pole. Pole here, a little safety flag so I can see where the front is. Ta-da! For the final step, got again this nicely machined lock. Push that in, line our hole up, secure that inner bar, lock it up, put our little silicone weather flap over. There we go. Ta-da! Now, of course, that particular generator is my kid's. In a later video, I will hook up my two Hondas on there and see how that looks. So stay tuned to see this Lock N Load Torklift platform used in a variety of different ways. And I want to thank Jasmine for sending it out to me. I'm sure we're going to get a lot of use out of it.